Hello and welcome. You're watching Royal Ranthambore presents BT Golf. I'm Sakshi Batra and I'm here at the Panchkula Golf Club. With me, somebody very special, Mr. SPS Parmar. He's the ADGP Law and Order for Punjab Police. Warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you so much for joining in. First up, what would you want to say about this lovely event of BT Golf that we have created?
Looks very good for that matter. The gathering good. They have made a good initiative over here. As a golfer, I would also like to be associated with this thing. It's a very pious occasion and a very pious initiative.
That's wonderful to hear, sir. So do also tell us what is your own view of the kind of scenario that's emerging in India in terms of sports as well as for golf. Do you think it's becoming more and more popular? Are younger people really looking forward to the sport as well?
Of course, it's a very, very good thing for the youngster also to get initiated into this because sports makes you a balanced person, balanced personality, and it gives you physical strength. So, a lot of camaraderie amongst the players and all that. So, this is a very good thing. So, more of the people should participate in it.
That's wonderful to also hear that, sir. Do you think people in the administration also should now look at healthy, fit life, and this could be a great opportunity for them to explore sports and be fit via sports too?
Yeah, as a part of the society for that matter, we are just the same as those of the civil members and all that. So, need to be fit. Rather, we need to be fitter than the other people because you have to discharge so many duties.
Yes.
And the policemen and the uniform look should good because they have to get into the sports or some sort of the physical activity.
Right.
That's how the uniform fits and you look smart.
Right. Off the record, when you were talking to me, you were saying that you are most fond of actually cricket than golf right there. Can I understand from you what is your love for cricket as well?
Golfers, for them, it's a very good community. It's a very good community. You network with the other guys. They're the same kind of the vibes. They're well off. You have ample of the time. Most of the time, you are amongst the nature. Enjoying your walk also along with playing the golf.
Yeah.
So that way, my preference will always
Your
be golf.
preference is
Yeah.
golf. Okay, that's wonderful to hear as well. Do you also encourage it, people around you right there to really take up golf? Do you think more and more, pro golfers are also emerging from India now?
Yeah, of course. My son is also a member of the local clubs over here. He also participates. Similarly, I invited a few of my friends also from the police to participate in this tournament. You already met them. So it's always better to get together on a sunny day,
Yes.
playing together, enjoying the hospitality of business today.
But is it very difficult for people like you who are extremely busy in administrating such difficult work to take out those 3-4 hours of your weekend to come and play golf?
Not difficult when we work in the professional manner, then it is quite intensive work for that matter. I mean, there's some sort of delegation also. Every work
Yeah.
I don't do. I guide, mentor, supervise. Then I have ample of the time for myself at my disposal so as to take care of my activity in the physical arena.
Okay, wonderful to speak to you, sir, and thank you so much for sparing your time. It's great to have you here and hope you get to enjoy the game right there. We would have loved to see you play, but today you have other engagements. But thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you so much. I came over here to participate and see the people around. It's a very good place, very good networking, a very good initiative.
Thank you so much, sir. With that, we wrap up this special conversation. And from the Panchkula Golf Club, we'll continue to get you such fascinating insights. Stay tuned.